Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your language on the Raid Shadow Legends game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Raid Shadow Legends game on your device, and once you open it up, proceed through the basic tutorial levels if you are playing the game for the first time. Once you have completed the basic tutorial, you will be taken into this menu page, from which if you wish to change the language, then tap on your user ID at the top left corner. You will now be taken into the settings page, from which if you wish to change the language, just tap on the language option at the bottom section. You will now see various different languages that are available for the game. Just tap on whichever language you wish to use, and this will ask you to restart your game. Just proceed with restarting, and once the game is restarted, the game interface will be changed to this language right away. You can come back to this menu at any time and then change your language as many times as you want. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your language on the Raid Shadow Legends game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.